Today we got ourselves some mud flaps. I've been wanting to get some for a while actually, and they were on sale, so I figured why not. As usual, these ones from Car Mods Australia. Can I help you? Alright, and then we need three. 1, 2, 3 of these ones. And these just clip right over these holes here. I think wheel's gonna have to come off because there's no way I'm fitting a screwdriver in there. Alright, then we need 2 short screws, a long screw, and then one of these little spacer bits. And some washers. Forgot to grab those ones. Alright, so I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up or not, but the little clip that you put on, it goes in between that little flap. I don't know what you'd call it. But it goes in between that and the actual metal of the car. Otherwise it doesn't really fit over both of those. Yeah, that's looking pretty straight. Okay, so it turns out these are just easier. Just continue pressing them in, because they are not going to come out. I wonder how much dirt is actually up behind there. That is manky. Wow. If there's ever a time to clean it out, now is the time. Alright, let's do a little cleaning, little weight saving at the moment. Nice. That's all from inside my liner. Okay, so we got 3 of these clips again. So we're just gonna go 1, 2, up on here, and then 3 is hidden. These ones from underneath can go back on. Alrighty, and then they've got one of these ones, so I have a feeling that pops into there, because then that's for our long screw to actually screw into, because we can't get one of those clips there. So we're just going to give you a little hit in, maybe not. There we go. Alright, so screw, washer, spacer. We'll get that one lined up first. We'll do these outside ones. And then you're going to go 2 short ones and then a long one on that bottom hole. This side was equally filthy, but the liner's not as destroyed as what it was on the other side. So this one, a lot easier, and things actually fit in the way they were meant to. Alright, that is looking pretty sweet. It gives the rear a slightly fatter look as well without having to do a wide body. That will possibly be changing